does work.
YouTube, it's that time. Y'all saw me plant these. Now I'm pulling them up. Sweet potatoes, baby. Harvest time. Let's see what we looking like. All of these plants I'm gonna give to my birds. Little fingerlings. Sweet potatoes. Could have let them go on longer, but it's that time of the year. Thanksgiving around the corner, and we're gonna make some sweet potato pie. Bunch of fingerlings. Let's keep it right there. All of this vegetation, like I said, it's all edible. I technically, if I wanted to, I could eat them, saute them. Supposedly taste a lot like spinach. Have not eaten them yet, but next go around, I will be giving it a whirl. Yeah, all of these going straight to the bird. Straight to the bird. Okay. There's one right there. What you say?
Wait, show it up again.
Nice little fingerling. Small ones. You're gonna get these when you not, because I just let them sprout freely, and I didn't continually growing them from the nodes. That's why we got these small ones. So we'll go see if we got some large ones down deep inside the soil. Pause it.
Stop. Stop.
That is young sir behind my daughter, who is the camera woman. So thus far, we're not seeing anything of significant size. Just these little fingerlings. They can still be used.
In the sweet potato pie.
But it's still not over. Just try to get the soil, not me. All right, ready? Go. Okay. That's the largest one so far. Lady, hush. Stuff like this I'll leave in here, and when it's time, that'll regrow on its own. But we still got over here to pull, and we'll see. Go. Alright.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Alright, that's a little larger, a little better.
Let me see it again. There we go. It looks nice.
Yep. Uh-oh.
The big one fell?
Yeah. Okay.
That one looked pretty decent.
Oh man, we had a nice one right here.
Oh my.
Wow.
It probably
Something got to
died.
it. Alright. Long
This
one.
The small ones you got keep in there, I think one of them fell.
These we could just put it back in there. And, there we go.
Ooh.
There we go.
Getting the jackpot.
That I can plant. I'm gonna plant that. We plant that right there.
Ooh, that's big. That's
Damn.
the biggest one.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Is your finger not in the way?
It's not in the way.
Okay, just make sure.
That was the biggest
more in
one.
here.
That was the biggest.
Yeah.
Another one died.
All of these, like I said, this will be food for the birds. Food for the birds. And this is edible as well. Like I said, you can saute these and eat them like spinach. See, got these little fingerlings in here. I'm gonna go ahead and bury these. And see if we can get some bigger yields out of it. Go ahead and give these to my birds. Wait, pause. Okay, got one right here. All right, now it's time to start digging. Time to start digging. This is our haul so far. That's just pulling off the top layer.
You knocked over the.
I ain't worried about that. Okay, let's see what we. Okay. We got a nice one right here, decent one.
How's the dirt feel?
Very nice and fluffy. Ah, there's the big hole.
The
Yeah,
second big one.
Now this is the biggest one thus far. And we still got our grow bag to tackle. Another little fingerling. Okay. Pay attention, focus on the camera. I can see the dogs. Bam. Another one. Okay. Plant this. Okay, survive the winter. Same thing with this. We're planting. Still have roots attached to it. There we go. Fingerling. Decent size one. Feel like it broke off something.
So these are yams?
Sweet potato. Let me put these up here. Put these right back in. Let them do what they do. Same with this one right here. Put it right back in. Let it do what it do. But I know we got more in here. Let's see what we looking like. Now I'm not using the garden fork or anything, so I'm just filling by hand. So, all right, could be more in here. I don't feel anything, but it could be more. But what we're gonna do now is go over and take a look into the grow bag and see if we got better results from that. And I'm gonna bury this and see if we can get this to grow. And if we can get more out of them before the freeze, hopefully we'll see if they can make it through the freeze. Okay, there we go right there. If they die off, so be it. It's expected. If they somehow survive, like I said, I'm leaving some of these fingerlings in and they'll reseed. And once I start to see these pop up, the vegetation, I'll go in, separate them, and turn them into multiple plants again. That way we get a larger yield. So I really didn't maximize my grow because I allowed the vining to spread across instead of constantly coming in and turning each node into its own plant. I would have ultimately gotten a better yield. So come closer, go show. That's the haul so far. All right, stop it. All right, over to the grow bag. This is the one where individuals were placed in here. So let's see if we got, oh yeah, that quick.
Ooh, look at that one.
Big difference, big difference. So this was kind of a trial and error thing. And just that quick off of this one, got some decent size. But we'll see if there's more inside here. Okay, too little. And I should have given them more time. But like I said, it's Thanksgiving around the corner. I want to make some sweet potato pie with stuff that I've grown. And all of these will go back to the birds. To the birds. To the birds. And this soil will be used for some more growing, baby. So, I mean, I've learned a lot just from this little grow right here. Another little fingerling. We'll bury that.
Let it grow.
We'll see what happens if we two little fingerlings. You know, could always use them, but we'll go ahead and put that right back in there and see if we don't get something else this time next year. I mean, excuse me, springtime. So, there we have it. A haul from this little grow bag. A few things that I'm gonna, that I've taken notes from and gonna get a better harvest next year. But hey, this was all grown from 2 sweet potatoes. All of this whole haul, 2 sweet potatoes. Go ahead, pause it. YouTube, this is the haul from the grow bag. Like I said, definitely could do so much better, but learning process. And weird weather, droughts, so on and so forth. You know, but ultimately I still did come up with a cool little harvest. If you see, I got on them cowboy boots. And yeah, this is from my grow pool. This is one of the bigger ones, as this was.
That one.
Decent size. Decent. Nice amount of fingerlings. So I'm gonna be able to. Some of these are purple sweet potatoes as well too. So, but ultimately, I will be able to make a few sweet potato pies, baby. And these fingerlings right here, I'm gonna throw them back into the soil. No, what I'm gonna do is put them in another bag, let them seed, and I will use these to grow more sweet potatoes. Right there. There you have it. You know better, you grow better, baby. Boy, Soul Power, tap in with me.